Today I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule a voice chat on Telegram using the desktop app. Whether you're organizing a casual hangout, a team meeting, or a big community session, scheduling your chat in advance helps everyone stay coordinated, and you'll know how to set it up step by the end of this tutorial. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to open Telegram desktop on your computer. Now, if you're used to using Telegram mainly on your phone, you might notice the desktop layout has a bit more breathing room, making it easier to navigate and manage group features. So go ahead and launch Telegram desktop. Make sure you're logged into the account with admin rights for the group or channel you have in mind. Next, you'll need to navigate to the group or channel where you'll be hosting the voice chat. Just click on the conversation from your chat list. Quick heads up, only admins can start and schedule voice chats, so double check that you actually have admin privileges in this community. If not, you can always reach out to an existing admin to grant you those permissions. Now look toward the top of the screen and click on the group or channel name. This will open the profile or info page. It's like unlocking a control center full of settings and tools that are invisible at first glance. Give yourself a second to find your bearings here. Telegram's interface tucks a lot behind these profile menus. Here, where things start to get interesting, look for the Profile Options menu. On most computers, you'll spot this as three dots either stacked vertically or horizontally, usually called the More or Overflow menu. Give that a click, and among the options, you should see something like Start Voice Chat. Sometimes you'll spot it referred to as Start Video Chat, but don't worry, both options can be used for audio-only meetings. A voice chat is simply a video chat without anyone using their webcam, so you won't be on camera unless you choose. Instead of starting the voice chat right away, look for the choice labeled Schedule Voice Chat. This is the key piece that a lot of people miss. Click it and you'll get the chance to pick exactly when your chat session will go live. Think about the best day and time for your group. Maybe you want to give people 24 hours notice so they can mark their calendar. Once you've selected your date and time, take a moment to double-check your choice. After all, a scheduled session means your community will see a countdown, and you want to be sure you're not surprising anyone by accident. When you confirm the scheduling, Telegram will add a colorful countdown bar right to your group or channel. This little bar isn't just pretty. It helps create a sense of anticipation so participants know when the chat starts, and you won't have to bombard everyone with separate reminders. Finally, when the big moment arrives, it's not fully automatic. A human touch is still needed. Any admin can launch the session by hitting the Start Now button beside the countdown in the chat. Don't worry if there's a small delay here. Chats don't begin until you're ready, so you can give people an extra moment if they're running late. And there you have it. Scheduling a voice chat on Telegram desktop is a straightforward process, but knowing these little details makes it a smooth experience for both you and your group. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with any Telegram features. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.